Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sommy here, and on this channel I talk about homeschooling, lifestyle, cleaning and motherhood. If you're a new subscriber, please hit the subscribe button. If you're already an old subscriber, welcome back, and thank you so much guys for watching. So today I'll be reviewing the Scotch Laminator. So a lot of you have been watching my Instagram stories, and you've been asking me what I use to kind of like laminate all the activities and the printouts that I use with my kids. I got this laminator 5 years ago. I got it in 2015, and honestly I think it was good for how much I got it for. I'm going to link it in the description box below. So I really love this. This is very light and inexpensive. So basically I print out whatever worksheets I want to use, and I use this Scotch Laminator to laminate it. I really love this because it's very lightweight, it's inexpensive. I've had this for 5 years. I got this in 2015, and the good thing about it is I laminate those things, and now I can reuse them with my daughter without having to think about it being torn or worn out. So investing in this kind of laminator, or any one you want to use, is very good. I use this one, and I like it because under here it has a way you can store the wire, the cable, without it. You have a place you can store the cable without it, cluttering your desk or the space where you keep your laminator. It also comes with a power button. It comes with a power button behind here. When you turn it on, the light comes on and it shows the 3mm or the 5mm. I typically use the 3mm. The 5mm is for when you're using heavier paper. There's a release button as well. The release button is for when the paper gets jammed in there. So typically what I will do is I will plug it in, turn it on, then put the paper, use the pouches. So when you purchase this newly, it comes with 20 pouches, but after that subsequently you have to buy yours. So you put it in a paper, you put the paper inside the pouches, then you put it into the laminator using the other end, the folded end, the sealed end. Then you put it into the space. When it comes out, you allow it to cool down, and it's ready. Or you either cut it up if you wanted to cut it up, and you can get to enjoy and play with use those materials with your kids. So this laminator also doesn't take time to turn on. It takes about 4 minutes to heat up, and it doesn't make noise, which is very good. And I've used it for 5 years, which shows that it's good quality. I hope you found this useful, and if you're looking for ways to kind of like laminate your homeschool material, I think this is something good to invest in. Thank you so much guys for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.